In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zap in Zapier that connects Airtable to Google Sheets. We'll start by heading over to the Zapier website. Once you're there, look for the Create option at the top. Click Create, and then choose Zap to open the editor. A Zap is simply an automated workflow made of two parts: a trigger that starts the process, and an action that runs after the trigger. In the editor, begin with the trigger. Click on the trigger section to choose the app that will kick things off. In the search bar, type Airtable and click on it when it appears. Selecting Airtable here tells Zapier that changes in your Airtable base should start the automation. Depending on your setup, Zapier may guide you to specify details later, but for now the key is that Airtable is set as the trigger app. Next, move over to the action. Click on Action to define what should happen after the trigger runs. If you see an additional prompt or button labeled Action, go ahead and click that as well to open the app picker. Now search for Google Sheets and click on it. This tells Zapier that the result of your Airtable trigger should be sent to a Google Sheet. After selecting Google Sheets, choose an event that matches your goal. For example, you might create a new spreadsheet row, update an existing row, or find and look up records. Pick the event that best fits your use case, then connect your account. Zapier will open a secure window where you grant permission to access your Google Sheets. Make sure you're using the correct Google account with access to the sheet you intend to use, and ensure you have the right permissions in both Airtable and Google Sheets. As you make these selections, Zapier will show you fields that map data from Airtable into Google Sheets. It's helpful to match each Airtable field to the appropriate column using clear headers in your spreadsheet to keep everything organized. If you have multiple spreadsheets or tabs, double check that you've pointed to the correct file and worksheet. When your trigger and action are set and everything looks good, it's time to publish. Click Publish to turn your Zap on. Publishing activates the automation so it can run in the background without any further effort from you. That's it. Your Airtable to Google Sheets workflow is now live. If you ever want to refine it, you can reopen the Zap, adjust the event or field mappings,